everyone. I am Dr. Yashika Gudesar, consultant Manipal Hospital, Dwarka. Today we have this workshop on PPH, and I will be talking about NASG garment. So NASG garment is called the non-pneumatic anti-shock garment. So as you can see, this is the garment, and which has 6 compartments, 6 parts. And there is, I would like to tell you a little bit about that there is no joy when a baby is born, and there is no tragedy when there is a maternal mortality. So the death of the mother is something which we dread and which we really want to prevent. So by using this NASG garment in all the setups, in all the hospitals, in all the smaller centers, in areas where the facility for immediate attention is not there for the mother, so these garments can be used. They are very cost effective, reusable, and washable, and easy, very light to carry, and they can be kept at every center and can be used to prevent the PPH in a mother and transport the mother to a higher center. So during the transport, how this NASG garment has to be applied to the mother, that is very important. So that is what we are going to demonstrate today. So pause.
पहली बात आपने 6 बोल दिया 6 कंपार्टमेंट
6 है, अंदर 6 है,
वो नीचे वाला
6.6 इसके अंदर वाला है।
ओ यस, उसके पीछे लिखा।
और क्या मुझे बोलना था इसमें?
इंट्रोड्यूस करना है।
हाँ, बस इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं। हाँ, ये किससे बना है वो नहीं बताया मैंने। देखो वो भी बताया।
अच्छा, आपने अच्छी जगह पे रखी है।
हाँ, start. NASG garment in a primitive form was used by the army people in the US, and to prevent the bleeding in the army people, and to transport the personnel from the war. And lately the NASA is using it for the as an anti-gravity suit to prevent the hypovolemia. And stop. मैं उसका वो नाम भूल जाती हूँ जो उसमें यूज हुआ है। नियोप्रीन।
माथे पे लिखवा लूँ मैं।
नियोप्रीन। नहीं,
नियोप्रीन।
चल। Start.
इधर लिखूँ।
It is also called the life wrap, and it is used by WHO, UNESCO, and many NGOs for prevention of PPH in smaller setups. And the synthetic material used here is neoprene, and Velcro is being used to fasten it. So I would like to introduce my team here, Dr. Dhiranjali. She will be helping me with the process, and Shalini, patient. She is our patient today. And first I would like you to show this garment. We have the parts 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So let's open up this garment so that Shalini is a patient of PPH today with us, and we will be demonstrating how to fasten. If your patient is unconscious, you will need 2 people to put this garment under the patient. The most important thing while putting this garment, you should remember that the topmost part of the garment should come under the last strip of the patient. Shall you please lie down? So we will start by fastening the number 1. And we have to put our finger here and just check whether it is not very tight. For the 4 and 5 and 6, we should do it individually. Only the doctor or the person doing it should do it. This thing can be done by any person can be treated. It's not necessary that it should be a medical personnel only. So this should be done by a single person, because if 2 people will do, it will become more tight for the patient. So what this anti-pneumatic garment does is that it helps prevent the extra PPH which is happening. So we'll fold this in 6 first, and then here we can, this benefit is that we can press also on the abdominal greater vessels, and it will prevent the blood flow going to the uterus. And all the blood supply which is prevented, it goes to the major organs, the heart, the head. So that prevents the major PPH. Shalini, can you fold your legs? So this garment helps the patient to fold the legs, and if we have to shift the patient to the OT and do the procedures for internal examination and exploration, we can always position the patient on the lithotomy table in the lithotomy position. So you can straighten up your legs. So this is very comfortable. So now when we are applying this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 segments, and we have to now, if the patient starts getting better, we see the vitals of the patient. Kindly apply the, we pick up. So we can start opening. So now this is the way we have to unfold it. Can we switch it on? So when we open the first one, after that we wait for 15 minutes and we see if the vitals of the patient, if the BP is falling by 20 mmHg or the pulse is rising by 20 beats per minute. Then we will close it back again. But if the patient is okay, we will open the second one. Hence, we will wait again for 15 minutes, and if the patient is okay, then we will open the third one. The fourth one. And when the patient is wearing the full dress, when patient has to go to the bathroom or use the bedpan, this can be little folded upside, and patient can use the bedpan also. And if the anti-garment gets dirty, you can put another anti-garment below the patient and start unfolding from below and use another new anti-shock garment and start folding it again back. That can also be done. So when we are opening this, we have to tell our anesthetist if we are in the OT. After we have done our procedure, we have done completed exploration and we have done our proceedings, we have to inform the anesthetist we are opening this. After this, the BP might fall. So we will tell the anesthetist and we will open it, we will see the BP. If God forbid the BP starts falling again, we can close this back again. So that sudden blood loss can be prevented. So I think we have pause. और क्या बोलो?
इसका washing.
हाँ, washing था एक तो packing and washing. तुम ready हो?
बीच में रोल कर अभी pause है.
चलो ठीक है, नीचे कर देते हैं. इसको दिखाएं वापस पैक करना है ना?
हाँ.
So start करो.
Back to
Shalini, I think Shalini can get up now and we can then show you how to fold this garment. Dr. Vinay. So we have to fold it like a pack, like this, and then with this one, cut. You'll have to do it again.
पहले वो बंद कर दिया पार्ट.
हमने पहले ये बंद कर दिया. वापस खोलो.
सरिता गर्ल को डिस्चार्ज बोला ना लिम्फोस्कोपी और डब 5 पे जाएगी.
Drop 5 3 months.
ठीक है. और वो पेशेंट आ गई है अल्ट्रासाउंड करा के. ठीक है, कुछ भी नहीं है, नॉर्मल वेट है 900 समथिंग.
हाँ, ब्लीड नहीं है. उसको बोलो ब्लीडिंग कभी-कभी 3-4 घंटे बाद होती है. वेट करके बोलो आपका एक बार छोटा सा एनेस्थी 5 मिनट का निकाल के घर भेज दो. और पेन किलर 2 लोग कर दो. So I will be showing कि how we have to unfold this. Cut. Pack this. So I'll start. So I'll demonstrate how to pack this. So we'll start folding by 1, 2 and 3. So here we will fold this here and then this way, and we have to come back here. This one.
ये अंदर लेना था आपने 4 को। ये किसके अंदर जाएगा?
ऐसे लेके करो, यहाँ से एडिट करें ना, पीछे से यहाँ तक आ जाए। ये वन आफ्टर कमिंग दिस हियर स्टार्ट। So now you can see this is folded. Most of them even have a handle with it, so you can carry it wherever you are going. Even the ASHA workers can carry it, and the midwives can carry it with them wherever they are traveling to any outreach areas or in hills. In India, this garment is very much required to be carried because lots of people and lots of patients are being transported from very poor areas and very outskirts areas from where the traveling is very difficult. So from there these patients can wear this anti-pneumatic shock garment and can be transported to the cities where emergency treatment can be given to the mother. And research was done in Nagpur Medical College, where they have seen the patients who used pneumatic garment, they needed less blood, there was less PPH, and the hemoglobin fall was very less. So lots of research are being done outside India. In African countries it is being used regularly, but in our country at this time needs to make it, regularize it, so that it can be used properly. And the workshops are really required so that we can actually learn, because I think it is not easy just to learn it by one workshop. You need to do it again and again to learn it properly. Thank you. दिखाओ यार क्या
कोई नहीं मैम, वो सब हो जाएगा।
एडिट हो जाएगा।
हाँ। इसको बंद करता हूँ।